Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing y'all how I make this harvest bear keychain / charm. I first begin by making the chicken. I make a ball of white clay and then shape the neck and head like so. To make the wings, I flatten some clay and cut the shape of the wings, and then stick it onto the body. I also add in these red things to the head of the chicken and give it an orange beak. I make 2 indents on either side of the head and add in 2 black dots for the eyes. I also add in cheeks for the chicken. Onto the bear, I first make the body in a slightly conical shape and add a ball on top for the head. I also add in a light brown clay for the mouth and take a roll of black clay for the eyes, nose and mouth. I also add in cheeks for the bear. I then add in eyebrows using the same color clay. I then cut out sausages of clay for the legs and hands. Here I also stick in the chicken. I flatten some red clay and cut it out into a triangular shape to make the scarf. I then stick on the ears. After the whole thing is dry, I glaze it and add in the hardware. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.